What's going on, guys? Out here at the lot, got the 54-inch bucket attached to this mini skid, and just been moving some wood. So yeah, just stay with me and we'll do some video of this thing picking up some wood and stuff. I did hook up the fuel pump and then the regulator to it, and it definitely runs a lot better. And I set that regulator for 2, I think it goes up to 4 or 5. But yeah, I set it low because I don't want overfeeding and flooding the thing out. So start out low. Seems like it's running really good. Definitely some junk in the tank. I used the fuel pump to pump out gas again today. Whatever's in the tank, I pumped it out again. I'm trying to get as much of this rust out. Tons of rust in there without taking this engine out and the whole gas tank. So just got to keep pumping, have a lot of filters at first, and that's my biggest problem, is just the rust in this tank. So we'll get it out and get things going. Seems to be running good after I hooked up that fuel pump today. So stay with me. We'll move some of this pile of wood. So I'll show you guys real quick here. We got this. Got the fuel pump. It hooks right into this outlet. So I hooked the harness into the outlet up there. As you can see right there, it hooks right in, plugs right in. So it's keyed. So when the key on, the pump turns on. So got a little extra hose. I'm still wanting to hook up that fuel filter, the bigger one up here. I'm just trying to get as much of this rust and stuff out as I can before I hook up the spin on. I don't want to be replacing those every few days. So I do have a lot of these little filters down here, and I just keep changing them. As you can see, there's already a little bit of rust in there, and I haven't ran it that long. So this fuel tank, they do have a little opening on the sides. A lot of people use JB Weld. I just used a silicone sleeve and just ran a silicone sleeve over it, so nothing spills out. Seems like it's been doing pretty good right now. Nothing's getting in or out. So yeah, guys, stay with me and we'll run this thing. Got this pile, trying to clean it up. Got someone that wants a load of wood today, so with my skid steer tire down, I need to get this stuff moved. So yeah, stay with me. We'll get it moved. So yeah guys, this thing's running great. Knock on wood. That fuel pump really helps it with the low flow. This bucket definitely holds a lot more. I don't notice anything coming up in the back, you know, with no counterweights, so that's a good thing. I can fill this bucket up with some splits and not be tipping over and stuff. So yeah, gonna get the rest of this moved real quick. It's pretty cold today. Gotten a buddy that wants some wood, so I was gonna take him a load. I just can't get to it. Like I said, my skid steer, the tire, the valve in the side went blew out, so I'm getting that tire fixed. So it's good to have this thing running now, so I can at least get this out of the way and hopefully get him a load of wood before I leave here. So yeah guys, getting some progress going here. I'm happy with it. I do have a splitter coming, so we'll see what this thing can do with you know, some of these bigger rounds that I have. I'm not sure what the pump that it has, the double pump, if it, I don't know, we'll see. I'm not sure what it'll do. If it's slow, I don't mind it if it can break these big rounds up. I'm just wanting to get manageable pieces without having to move these out of the way. So yeah guys, stay with me. We'll be making more videos on this thing. I have a feeling I'll be using this quite a bit. I think I need to be ordering some tracks here before this thing throws a track or breaks a track and then gets me stranded out here. So that might be, that and counterweights might be my next thing on my list. I really want a grapple bucket, but I'm not trying to spend tons of money, have other priorities to do, so one thing at a time. So you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. See ya.